You, so you guys know the show, the really popular show called Rusty Rivets, about a kid, basically a kid who is allowed to invent crazy creations and drive cars, and is a literal inventor. You know how he looks a bit like Ben 10? This is how he usually looks. You know how he looks a bit like Ben 10? I amplified that feature and literally made him into Ben 10. He's got Ben 10 goggles, the green eyes, he's got a Ben 10 shirt, the Omnitrix right here, a belt and the tools and really cool green shoes. He's got like a whole entire green thing. He's got like he's not transformed into anything, but I decided to give him the Omnitrix logo on his shirt, since usually he has this lightning bolt logo on his shirt, and also on his little Omnitrix looking thing. So yeah, this is the original. This is halfway. This is halfway zoomed in. This is the full. This is the in full. This is halfway as well, and this is the full completed Ben 10 Rusty. I dub Rusty 10. I know, pretty bad name, but it's Rusty. It's Rusty Rivets and Ben 10. What better name could you come up with? Maybe 10 Rivets? Yeah, let's call him Ben 10 Rivets. Yeah, this is my version, my Ben 10 version of Rusty Rivets. I dub Ben 10 Rivets. So yeah, bye everyone. Bye.